Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix won't send MMS messages on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on mobile data. After turn on mobile data, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and search messages app. Click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, click on general management, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.